disturbing the peace and quietness of a beautiful Spa-Francorchamps track day. Currently it is lunch break, and on this note, also good morning comrades, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Spa, where it actually started this year. That's where we had our very first track session of the year, and this by now probably going to be the last one. Don't worry, plenty of videos to come, but let's get straight to the point. We are here with Andrew and his freshly rebuilt BMW M4 CS that we've been rebuilding over the last couple of weeks, and you already know the video that we published previously, but today we will be taking out on track. Not on the ring, but in Spa, because today is actually my birthday, and it was like the earliest convenience because track is now closed most of the time, so why not? You already did some laps in the car, because I was having my lazy nap this morning because I think I deserve some time off on the birthday. Well, what's your impression of the car?
Oh, it's ridiculous. So flat. It's so well built. It's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good.
Nice.
Really happy.
Nice. Yeah, I'm really excited to give it like a proper feel now on the track and to feel all these components do their work. Of course, the motor and suspension, in combination with 24/7 performance brakes, the Air 1 tires, the wheels, the intake, and how you find the diff sound going from the inside.
That's brilliant, yeah.
This was something like I was curious, and most importantly, since you already done some laps, you didn't get shooed off for being too loud, I guess.
I kept the valve shut.
Good, that's important. Maybe at the end of the day we can pull them open and see. No, we'll keep them shut for the beginning. It's more than good because they're quite strict when it comes to sound regulations here in Spa. But yeah, you know already everything about the car. In case you missed the video, check it out in the video description when we did cover the full rebuild and everything. And I think by now it's enough talking because we just wait for like what, 10 more minutes, and then we hop in the car, put our helmets on because the track day, grab this KMP steering wheel and go for some nice laps around Spa-Francorchamps. Let's go. not bad. Wow.
You're still getting it like slide a little out.
Yeah,
like
just a
that.
bit. And running wide and on the gas, opening up. Left side. End of white wall on the brakes. And stay left. Brakes. Staying left. Tight, close to the wall. Say hi to the camera guy. To the outside. Very good. Right side. Stay right, close to the wall. Very good. Brakes. Let go. Left curb, on the curb, and to the right curb. And gas. Go. Never let the car be light here. Overtake. It's a long straight. Upshift. After 200 on the brakes. Now. Okay, good. Turning in. Right curb. Next time brake at 150. And left side. Speed is fine. Turning in. To the outside. On the gas. Stay left. Sign 100 on the brakes. Stay left. Staying left, let go. Turning in. No gas, no gas, no gas. Gently let it roll. To the outside, very good. And back to the right side. Perfect. Brake a bit, let go. Left curb, 2 cars behind approaching, so stay right for them. Very good. Good. Brakes. Let go, turn in, left curb, running wide, and back left. And on the gas to the outside, go. And back left. Gantry brakes, brake, let go, turn. Gently, middle, left curbstone, to the outside. Very good. Smoothly on the gas. Stay left before the end of the curb brakes. Brake. Let go. Turning in. Outside. Staying left. Turning in. Right curbstone. And to the outside. And back to the right side. Staying right. Upshift. Left side. Straight running wide to the right side. Tiny bit of braking. Enough. Left curbstone. To the outside. Very good. Staying left. Brakes. Cool.
Doesn't feel like there's much understeer and it just feels really nice and balanced, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Even with me driving.
Does it feel balanced with me driving?
Well, I got a lot of blood in my face when you were driving.
You know what I really am happy about? Because the biggest thing I was afraid of when building this car is I would have gone too far into killing the streetability.
Yeah.
That would become like obnoxious, like annoying chaff thing. But actually it's really good for my feeling. I don't know what you think.
Yeah.
But it's, if you want it to be loud, it's loud when it's necessary. So it's good. Happy to have her back.
Oh yeah.
In a different shape and form though.
I'm being told how to drive it, that's amazing.
Done.
Done.
Verdict.
Really good. Couldn't be happier.
Good. For me as well. I mean, for me, the most important thing was that, of course, Andrew would be happy with the whole result, but also to make sure that the car is in a good condition, that it drives well, and as well, the fact that it's not too loud, that it's still streetable, drivable, trackable, and that's pretty much all from my side. 24/7 Performance did amazing job when it comes to the setup. The car performs well. I think now you need to get some seats, maybe a diff.
It's gonna be expensive.
I know. But at least not for me this time. Okay, if you want to see this car and you want to meet us, come over to SM Motor Show. We'll be there. The car will have the new livery that we at this point don't know what it's going to look like. We'll be there over weekends. The car will be there the full 2 weeks. And that's about it. Looking forward to seeing you there, and looking forward to be doing some laps, of course, also with this on a Nordschleife. Thanks for watching. Thank you for this journey.
Thank you very much.
And yeah, see you at the ring.
Ring.